आज के वीडियो में we're gonna talk about the most important thing that is related to John Locke. John Locke. That is the exercise of power. The philosophy related to exercise of power. है ना? Uh, when I was teaching the offline students, they asked me that tell me something in relation to the relationship, the human relationship, a man and a girl relationship, and how the power is exchanged and how the power are transferred. You have to learn. एक चीज है, basically there is one concept in the two treatises of government published in the year 1689 written by John Locke along with essay concerning human understanding that was also published in the same year. It tells about how the power is exercised. So he basically talks in two parts. First, active power and second, passive powers. What is active power? समझना. With the help of the example fire, he demonstrates further this concept. He tells that, बताता है, क्या बोलता है कि आग में जो कुछ भी रखो जल जाएगा. In fire, whatever be put inside it, it gets burnt. हर एक चीज जल जाएगा. समझ में आ रहा है? So basically the thing is that आग के पास जलाने का पावर और वो ऑब्जेक्ट के पास जलने का पावर, दो तरीके से पावर को डिफाइन किया जाता है. बी ह्यूमन बीइंग initially was in the state of nature, as this phenomena is called natural state of human, that was told for the first time and defined for the first time by the writer Thomas Hobbes in the Leviathan. It tells that अगर हम लोग ऐसे ही नेचुरल स्टेट में रहेंगे तो कभी भी ऑर्डर, कभी भी एक अच्छा फिनिश और कभी भी शांति नहीं आ सकता. तो हम लोगों को क्या करना पड़ेगा? वी हैव टू join collectively a commodity, and the commodity will decide a further leader, and that leader will protect our rights, our interest, and will serve in the welfare of the country, welfare of the society. Do you understand that? This is the thing. You have to feel worthy of it because you are learning literature. आप लिटरेचर पढ़ रहे हैं. हमेशा बस बोर्ड पर पढ़ाना, वो लाइंस पढ़ाना, दिस इज नॉट द थिंग. दिस इज नॉट माई वे ऑफ टीचिंग एंड लिटरेचर. एक खूबसूरत लाइन में बोलूंगा, आप समझने का प्रयास करना, एक समझने का प्रयास करना, है ना. When a man loves a girl, when a man when a man loves a girl, she becomes his weakness. But when a girl loves a man, he becomes her strength. What is this? What is this? This is just the exchange of power. I have just given you right now. Right now I have given you the example related to your relationship. Once a writer told me, listen carefully. Once a writer told me, never marry a person you can have fun with. Never marry a person you can have fun with. But marry a person you can suffer with. Never marry a person you can have fun with. Marry a person you can suffer with. Mind it? Whatever I'm telling right now. Never marry a person you can have fun with. But marry a person you can suffer with. That matching outfits, outdoor events, and many other things that shines in only sun, जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ सूर्य का प्रकाश में चमकता है. That face, that charming, that shines in the daytime. But when the darkness approaches to you, that person will leave you, छोड़कर चला जाएगा. The actual test starts here. यहीं पर actual test start होता है. कैसे समझते हैं? The actual test starts here when suffer does not go out from your life. When money runs out, the disease have contract with you, and the person who is there with you, suffering with you, is the appropriate choice. And congratulations that you have inherited, that you have gifted a new and a very constant man in your life. This is what the literature tells to everyone. You have to understand that. एंड आज का टॉपिक जो मैंने बताया, पावर रिलेशन. पावर इज अ फिलोसॉफिकल वर्क, फिलोसॉफिकल essay you can say, written by John Locke, published in the year 1689. Finally publication came 1690. This can be a good question. और ये essay concerning human understanding is another essay written by John Locke. ये पूछा जा चुका है यूजीसी नेट में, can be asked in further examination. और टीआरई 3 का भी यही क्वेश्चन था. क्या क्वेश्चन था? essay concerning human understanding is written by which writer? If you are able to connect with me, want to learn and get such kind of knowledge, the fruit of knowledge in literature, as Milton has told us, है ना? You can connect with me. You can join me to the Telegram. At Telegram's channel link would be provided in my comment box. You can go and join there, and the further classes would be delivered there. And that's it for today. Have a great day.